Hello and welcome guys, this is Jilly and I'm in Australia on the Sunshine Coast, and I am going to attempt because I'm going to try to do an abstract sunset over ocean type pour, but all with my blow dryer. So I'm not going to paint the sunset, I'm going to blow the sunset over ocean. So that is my plan, but if you follow me you know that things never go to plan, and then I just think of plan B and move on. So I will try, as you must do, just give it a go. A big sip of my coffee, rightio. I'm going to start putting these colours. I'm just trying to think how I should layer these colours maybe. I think I might do the same sort of just random type thing. So this is the turquoise and it's mixed with a good dash of the dragonfly glaze. I put any colour that I have available in the paint. It just makes it really sparkly, like a metallic, so it gives an, you know, when it's dried and you put resin over it, then that sparkle just comes through beautifully. Rightio, I'm going to put some white. It's a bit scary, this is a bit scary. If it doesn't turn out, I've got to keep convincing myself, haven't I? I'll just go to plan B and change it into something completely different. Now this is the deep, what's it called? Dark sea. It's called Dark Sea. It's a really greeny turquoise. Teal, I suppose, is more the colour. Some of that, and then go with the cool blue or phthalo blue. So remember, I'm wanting the oceany look, so it's mostly blues on the bottom here. I just my son has done a collaboration with me before where I've done the background of a wave, and he's airbrushed the other embellishments in, like scenery, which is beautiful when you when that happens too. That's beautiful. Just hoping I've got enough. I might put a bit of this. This is champagne gold, so it's 50% metallic gold, 50% silver. So I'm going to put a good dash of that in with the blues. It'd turn it blue anyway, so that should be fine. And now I'm going to just hit it with the heat wand, get the air bubbles out. Now I'm really hoping that the blowing gods play nicely, and so this bottom bit comes out good. Rightio, let's give this a go. Colours stunning, stunning. Turbulence in the ocean. I'm blowing it all over the edges, so I've got the nice colour up right over the edges. Those colours are stunning. Stunning. You just use your blow dryer to create the movement. I like the wave effects. perfect. If I wanted to put a little bit, I could try this. I hope that it doesn't stuff it up. This is a little bit of the Amsterdam white with Floetrol to see if I can get a bit of frothiness to make it look like the froth on the top of a wave. We just try a small area of this. Maybe I'll try swipe it. If it doesn't turn out, then it doesn't turn out. I don't know, just a few here and there, I guess. I could have done it with a smaller swipe tool. Maybe would have turned out better. But I'm not going to do any more. I don't want to overwork it. So I think that that's looking like my oceany bit. I'm pretty happy with that. So just checking that all the base of my canvas is covered. Now I'm not sure whether I should take that tape off now. I just put the tape on to try and define my colours a little bit. But yeah, I'm not sure about it. Anyway, I'm going to layer the next colours on top. So I will put the white. I guess I should probably take it off. I've not done this before, this particular way. So I do want a good yellow, like to kind of act as my moon up there. And of course I'll have some along here, not everywhere. So I'm trying to create, yeah, a landscape, an abstract landscape, so but with fluid art, so should be interesting, shouldn't it? Trying is the word. Trying. Oh, it might be trying. I'm sure I'll get something nice out of it. So I think that'll do. I do want to add a little line of black in here. Actually, I'll take this off. There you go. I mean, I could wait for each piece to dry. That would probably be the sensible thing to do, but of course, no, I've got this thing stuck up my glove. Holy dooly. Rightio. I just put some more of the gold along. This is the cool yellow mixed with gold. I do want to get some black in there. Oh, am I risking it for a Swisskit? Gosh. Let's see how we go here. Maybe a little bit more. This is, I'm putting in the white basically to use to blow the other colours about. So we'll just see. Try and blow it. Let me think. Oh my goodness, now I'm getting... Okay, just go for it. made, well, it's going for an abstract. I think there's things I've learned from that, because you can just keep blowing to get the effects you want. I could probably let this dry off and do a more defined line from my ocean part to the sky. And thinking of it now, I probably should have layered my colours going up like that in the, and then blown out, then it would have looked more of a complete starburst in the sky. But that is kind of getting abstracty, ocean and sky. The dark was put in to try and create, so you could sort of, the eye to meet some sort of land at the back, the hill or whatever, or a mountain, with the colours bursting out from that. I think that's pretty good for my first try. I'm gonna say that it's pretty good for my first try. There's definitely a few things I've learned from it. So whatever I learn, then you learn before you even give your canvas a go, which is a good thing. So I'm going to let that dry off a bit, and I think I think it needs manipulating a bit more, I'll definitely do so. Or I could wait for it to dry and try and put some more definition into. But I think it being an abstract, I think it's pretty good. In fact, I'm looking back at it now and liking it so much more. I really hope that you like my effort and give this a go, because the ideas for your acrylic art is to completely create or paint things with flow paint that artists, you know, create flowers and mountains and landscapes with a brush, that you can create them with a hairdryer, with a balloon, with tools, and it's just so rewarding and so much fun, and it's definitely art therapy. It's beautiful and I love it. I will say good day, mates, to you guys, and hope that you enjoyed that. Please take care of yourself. Don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely, need to talk, please ring a friend or a family member, or if not, definitely a helpline. My lovelies, I will be back tomorrow trying to think of something else to give a go. So until then, bye for now. As you can see with the finished product, I just did that swipe along the center to give that black definition, so it looked like some mountains in the background. So I'm really pleased with this piece, but it has given me a pretty good idea what I want to do with the next one. I think you can really get a good landscaped, abstract landscaped to be everything you want it to be with fluid art. So until next time, bye for now.